Hello everyone, I'm Smiley Handa from Target 9. Today I'll be going to talk about the marking criteria of reading module. In the reading module, I'll be discussing what is the weightage of each item type along with how much time we need to spend to all types of questions to get our desired score. So let's get started. There are 5 item types in the reading part. First of all, we have multiple choice single answer questions, multiple choice multiple answer questions, followed with reorder paragraphs, reading, writing, filling the blanks, and reading, filling the blanks. So if we'll talk about multiple choice questions, multiple choice single answer questions, let me tell you guys, it is of only 1 to 2 marks, so need not to worry, need not to spend too much time practicing on such type of questions. So because if your requirement, if you are aiming for 6 each, 7 each, these can be ignored or less attention can be devoted on such type of questions because it is not of much weightage. And in case of multiple choice multiple answer questions, the very important thing is that it has negative marking. The paragraph is too long, there are lots of options. Obviously 3 to 4 minutes would be spent if we will read the full length paragraph followed with the options. So it is not at all advisable because we need to manage here time as well. Fine. So if we have to manage our time, but there is negative marking as well if we will read full paragraph, so it is purely advisable we can spend 1 minute 30 seconds to 1 minute rather spending on any type of question of multiple choice single answer, multiple choice multiple answer, and the time saved from these item types can be easily and wisely spent on the further item types which carries actually a good amount of weightage and which will help you to get your dream score. And what are all that type of questions? First is reorder paragraphs. Reorder paragraphs, it is carrying good weightage. In reorder paragraphs, the weightage is approximately, I can say, 13 to 14%. So yes, we have to do it very wisely. How we can do it is we have to make the pairings. Pairing means we have to make ordered pairs. In case of ordered pairs, first of all we have to identify the standalone sentence, that means the topic sentence. If I am not able to identify the topic sentence, it doesn't mean the full I will not get any mark and the full paragraph is wrong. No, it is not like that. We will be getting marks for the ordered pairs. If my pair is correct, I will not get any mark. If my pair is ordered, for example C and A is my order, but I have marked A and C, then it is wrong. So the sequence of that order will be correct as well, then only I will get the marks. And if I will be talking about the full order location of the paragraphs, it doesn't matter, wherever you want you can mark it, but your order must be correct. It must be an ordered pair, correct ordered pair if you really get 2 marks. And whenever you are getting the pairs with the help of proven techniques, yes, you can easily get the pairs as well. I will be making one video of reorder paragraphs in the upcoming days, how to solve reorder paragraphs with proven techniques as well. Fine. And we will be getting 2 to 3 questions for reorders, so practice it hard and attempt it wisely. Next item type is reading, filling the blanks, and reading and writing, filling the blanks. In case of these type of blanks, these are our jackpot if we really want to get a very good score in the reading part because it carries the maximum weightage in the reading module. And the weightage of this is approximately, it contributes around 70%. So obviously we have to do it, it's lots of practice, and there are also prediction files that I will be uploading in upcoming days. So you can go through that prediction files, and sometimes the paper gets repeated from that prediction files as well. So it would be an add-on advantage to you if you go through to that prediction files. And the practice, you have to practice it very much wisely. Reason being, the number of questions in the reading filling the blanks would be around 4 to 5, and each question carries again 4 to 5 blanks. So that means around, in the reading filling the blanks, you will be getting around 20 to 25 filling the blanks, and each question carries 1 mark. So approximately 20 to 25 marks will be contributed to the reading filling the blanks. After that we get reading and writing filling the blanks, which is because this is an integrated task, and reading and writing marks contributes to not only reading part but also in the writing module as well. So we have to do it very wisely. And number of questions, if I'll talk about in reading and writing filling the blanks, we will be getting 5 to 6, and each question again carries 5 to 6 blanks. So actually it is getting very good weightage. Approximately we will be getting reading and writing filling the blanks 25 to 30. So that means on an average I will be getting 50 to 55 blanks in my actual exam in the PTE. So again 50 to 55 blanks means 50 to 55 marks. So practice hard guys. Just observe what is the marking criteria, how much weightage each question carries, and work accordingly. It's not like you are not able to attempt multiple choice single answer question. It is very hard. just observe what is the weightage of that question. Fine. If you can manage to attend multiple choice single answer question very much wisely, still you can able to get 1 or 2 score only. But if you can get to know how we have to do purely about reading, filling the blanks, what are the techniques, how very smoothly we can do reading and writing, filling the blanks, all is yours. Reading is not at all any difficult task. So try to understand the marking criteria to get your desired score in less time. If you really want me to come up with the video of your doubt, please comment in the comment box so that I can come with that topic, so that I can frame that video and the things would be more smooth for you guys. Thank you.